Welcome. Tonight we're going to do something very simple, yet profoundly powerful. We are going to rest. Right now in this moment, you don't need to fix anything. You don't have to improve or achieve or try to be better. Your only job is to allow your body and mind to find the deep, restorative rest they deserve. Just be here and let everything else go. As you settle into your bed, find that position that feels just right. Allow your body to feel supported by the mattress, the pillows cradling your head and neck. Now, gently close your eyes. Begin to imagine a place far away from the noise and rush of daily life. Picture a quiet American countryside, a place of peace and stillness. Maybe it's a place you've been, or a place you've only dreamed of. There's no traffic here, no glowing screens, no demands on your attention. The air around you is cool and clean. As you breathe it in, you can smell the soft, earthy scent of pine trees and the fresh fragrance of damp grass after a light rain. It's a scent that instantly calms the nervous system. Look up into the sky. It's a vast, deep canvas of indigo, scattered with a million gentle, twinkling stars. They seem to hum with a quiet, ancient energy. This place is safe. This place is for you. With every slow breath you take in, feel your body beginning to soften. Feel the tension in your shoulders start to melt away. With every long, slow breath you let out, feel your mind letting go of the day's thoughts, the worries, the to-do lists. Just for tonight, they have no power here. In this quiet countryside, you are free. Somewhere nearby, through the gentle rustle of leaves, you see a small wooden cabin. A warm, golden light glows from its windows, casting a welcoming beacon in the soft darkness. It looks inviting, a haven of comfort and peace. You feel an instinctual pull towards it, a sense that this is where you need to be. This place, this cabin, it exists only for you. It was built to help you rest, to help you recover, and to allow your body to heal. You walk towards it, your feet moving silently over the soft earth. As you reach the door and step inside, the first thing you notice is the profound quiet. It's a silence that's not empty, but full of peace. There are no notifications buzzing, no deadlines looming, no expectations. There is only stillness, a gentle hum of tranquility that wraps around you like a warm blanket. As your eyes adjust to the soft light inside, a voice seems to whisper on the air. It's not loud, but it's clear and kind and deeply calm. It says your body knows how to heal. Listen to those words. Let them sink in. Your body knows how to heal, and it's true. It has an innate wisdom, an ancient intelligence that guides it toward balance and wholeness. You see a comfortable chair by a small, crackling fireplace. The flames dance slowly, casting gentle shadows on the wooden walls. You settle into the chair, and your body thanks you with a deep sigh of relief. As you sit there, you notice your breathing naturally beginning to slow down, finding a rhythm that is deep and easy. Your heart, which may have been racing from the day, finds a steady, peaceful beat. It's the rhythm of rest. Feel your shoulders, which have carried the weight of your day, relax and drop away from your ears. Notice your jaw, which you might have been clenching without even realizing it. Let it go loose. Even the tiny, hard-working muscles around your eyes, which have been focused and staring all day, finally release their work. They soften, allowing your eyes to rest completely. And as your outer body softens, something beautiful and intricate begins to happen on the inside. You don't need to control it or even think about it. It's happening all on its own. Your cells, the building blocks of your entire being, begin their essential nighttime routine. They are repairing, restoring, and renewing. They are cleaning out what is no longer needed and rebuilding what has been worn down. Your immune system, your silent guardian, gently strengthens itself, preparing to protect you. Your muscles, which have tensed and worked and moved you through your day, begin to unwind completely, releasing any stored-up tension. In your nervous system, the command center for your entire body shifts from its active fight-or-flight mode into a state of deep parasympathetic calm. This is the rest and digest state, the heal and restore state. You don't feel this intricate work happening. You don't need to. Your body is an expert at this. It has done this before every single night of your life, since the moment you were born. It knows the blueprint for health. All it needs is the opportunity you are giving it right now, the gift of uninterrupted peace. Through the cabin window, you can see a slow river moving under the soft glow of the moonlight. Its surface shimmers with the reflection of the stars above. The flow is steady, unhurried, and constant. It reminds you of a powerful truth. Health is not rushed. True healing is patient. Strength is not built in a moment of force, but quietly, one peaceful moment at a time, just like the river carves its path through the land. As you listen to the gentle sound of the river, you notice your thoughts are growing slower. They are becoming softer, like distant echoes. They are farther and farther apart, with growing spaces of peaceful silence in between. If worries or anxious thoughts from your day try to return, just imagine them as leaves falling onto the surface of the river. You don't have to push them away. Simply watch as the current gently carries them downstream, out of sight, requiring no effort from you at all. Feel the support beneath you. The chair, the floor, the solid earth. You are completely supported. You are completely safe. And in this safety, you are healing. With each breath, you feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper into the mattress beneath you. You feel heavier in the most pleasant way, calmer, more at ease than you have been all day. Let go of any need to control your sleep. It will come when it's ready. Tonight your sleep will be deep and nourishing. Your body is restoring itself from the cellular level all the way up. Your mind is resting completely, free from its usual burdens. And as sleep begins to gently take you now, as you drift on the edge of consciousness, hold on to this one simple truth. Every night you rest, your health grows stronger. Every moment of peace is a moment of healing. You are doing exactly what you need to do, simply by being here. Sleep well, rest deeply, and know that you are being restored.